The video depicts a serious road accident where a silver sedan has veered off the track into a wooded area. Emergency responders, including several firefighters in protective gear, are on the scene using high-pressure hoses to douse the vehicle and prevent a fire. A fire truck and a rescue vehicle are parked nearby with their equipment ready for use. A man in a professional suit is seen walking along the roadside, looking visibly shaken and concerned. He is busy on his phone, first contacting his family to inform them about his safety, and then calling his insurance provider to report the damages. The presence of thick hoses across the asphalt and the coordinated efforts of the rescue team highlight the urgency of the situation.
Speak with peace.